guys, I hope that you are having an awesome day, and if you guys are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe down below and like this video, and also ring the bell so you guys can get notified when I upload a video. I pretty much upload all the time.
I upload pretty much everything, like when it comes to makeup, lifestyle, like it can be sometimes vlogging, mukbang. I might do mukbang again in the future, so you guys should stay tuned for that.
Quick, I wanted to do a little haul and sit down with you guys because it's been a while. So I've been doing a lot of shopping and damage, so it's a problem. So I want to show you guys like a makeup haul from Ulta. I got 2 boxes, but I put them all in here. I got something from Colourpop from my boyfriend right here, and I wanted to show you guys what I received from him. I only got like 2 things from there, and then yeah, I'm gonna start with Ulta first because that's like the main thing in this haul. BH Cosmetics brush set. I really love these. Like, I was needing brushes, like something like affordable, because I don't need like expensive brushes. Sometimes there's like basically like 13 brushes inside. There's a lot of brushes in here. Very cute. I was like just buying a lot of like more eye brushes and a little bit of like face and stuff like that. So that's what I got right here. Ooh, look at this, guys. It also comes with this. So cute. I'm really gonna use this for my brush. Got from Ulta was the NYX Professional Makeup Swear By It palette. I just want to read the whole thing. You never know, you know. So once you open it, it looks like this up close. It has like a lot of shimmers inside and mates. I really like this a lot because it has like a lot of varieties. And sometimes like when you have like different eyeshadow palettes, they don't have this like options. I think I got this for $30-something, I believe. I think it was $30. Something like that, but I'm like so excited to play with it. This is like amazing. Palettes. This is what it looks like with the packaging. So you open it, it looks like this. Pretty. Looks like that. I'm just gonna swatch one for you guys. That one was Please Do. Did I swatch? It's this one. Yeah. 8H High Five Subculture Shimmer Highlighting Contouring Palette. It looks like that with the packaging. Okay, sorry guys. So it looks like this. You get that like nice highlighting inside here. There's like highlighting, contouring, stuff like that. So it's really cute. Huge package right here. So when you spend like $75, you get like a whole bunch of goodies. So that's pretty exciting. This one right here. This is like this store-bought palette. I'm very excited, guys. You have no idea. Charlie and the Chocolate Factory eyeshadow palette. And I throw this out or not. It's so pretty. Ooh, I love it. Okay. Oh my god, the packaging is so pretty. OMG, I am obsessed. So when you open it, oh my god, it has like a mirror right here, and then like all the eyeshadows and stuff inside. So it's so gorgeous. I'm like very, very, very obsessed. So yeah, it looks like that. Up close. Ticket right here to represent the Chocolate Factory, Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. Like the next thing that I got from Ulta was the glitters from NYX, like the little mini ones. I call them the mini ones because they don't look that big to me. The one that I got from Anastasia was like really big, like the glitter ones. So this one's in gold. I don't know if it's gold or something like that. Jane, it looks like this. It's like a gold color, so I got the gold one. Sometimes I forget, you know. Looks like that. So this is the second one that I got from NYX. It's so pretty. I chose this one because it's like the perfect color for like the holidays, especially to use on a look. So this is really cute and exciting. This is like the mascara one. This is the Worth the Hype Volume Enlightening Mascara. This one is for free from NYX. So when you buy a certain amount of products, you get like a mascara for free. not really big deal or anything. And then I'm gonna show you guys what I got in here. LA Girl Pro Concealer. Looks like that. I think I got the cream and creamy beige. Yeah. So the next one is the Herbal Essence shampoo. So cute. This is Vice. I think it's from Urban Decay. This is the color Back Talk. I don't want to open it because maybe I might use it for a giveaway. You guys never know. And then the next thing that I received is a face mask. Scented self-tanning lotion in medium. $5 off if you guys want to, you know. Multitasking styler cream. Looks like that. A very cute perfume sample. So you got the Philosophy Amazing Grace fragrance. It's really nice. It smells really good. Adjustable body butter cream. It's a lot of full size stuff. It's really cute. So the next thing I got is the Vita Coco coconut oil. So this is good for like if you want to put it on your body, or sometimes it can help with your makeup, get rid of your makeup, and also moisturize rough patches and dry spots for natural glow. So it's like really nice. Coconut is really healthy for your skin, if no one ever noticed about that. And your facial mist. And then the next thing is the Un Wash. The new Clean Bio Cleansing Conditioner. So you got this black cleanser. Looks like that. Was the H2O Infinity Renewing Youth Serum. Looks like that. So the next thing that I received is from Anastasia lip gloss. This is Kristen. I found this from TJ Maxx last time and I got this for free. It's so funny. I'm just gonna see what it looks like. Oh, it's so pretty. They know me so well because I love nudes. Like nude lipsticks. In Opal. The little mini one. So when you open it, it looks like that. So you get like a cute little sample size. TL Advanced Tightening Neck Cream. So you get like all that stuff. It's Hydra Balance Eye Gel. And then so it just basically hydrates your eye. I think. Let's see. That looks really cute. I might be giving this away for you guys. So yeah, you guys can try it out. So I'm gonna add this one in here. Receive this LA Colors concealer. Got it before, but you guys are gonna receive this in the bag. This one right here, and then this one is this shampoo, which I don't even use. You guys can try it out if you want. It smells really nice. I've used this like a long time ago. And then I also gonna give you guys this. And also these samples for perfumes. One that you guys are gonna receive. Yeah. Love how this has a lipstick in here. Look, oh, kitchen, very cute. All of these in here. You're getting that little mascara and the NYX primer. So I'm gonna give you guys these. Give you guys this one as well. I'm gonna take it out in a box just because like it's not gonna fit in the little bag right here. I just want everything to fit. So you guys like get the little mini size. And then you guys also gonna receive this one. And then the little face mask. Fake face mask. Yeah, that's what you guys are gonna receive inside. Opening the ColourPop next for you guys, which I got from my boyfriend. I'm so excited. 15% off if you guys want to use it. Go ahead. And this is the Your Space of My Life. So the limited edition stuff, like, you know, like these, the Disney collection was sold out. So I just wanted to buy the palette. So it looks like that. I like how it's popping out. You guys see that? Once you open it, it looks like this. And then the next thing I receive is the Zodiac eyeshadow palette. I'm excited for this one. Really excited for this one. You get like this one right here. I love how everything came out so nicely. So yeah, that's all my haul that I wanted to show you guys. So let me know in the comments below what you guys think. And if you guys want to enter this like little package right here, the rules are down below. So, you know, it's a little giveaway. Say thank you. And that's what I received. And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.
Dile que tú eres mía, mía, tú sabes que eres mía, mía, tú misma lo decías cuando yo te lo hacía. Yeah, dile que tú eres mía, mía, tú sabes que eres mía, mía, tú misma lo decías cuando yo te lo hacía. Yeah, 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 yeah. Bebé, yo soy fan de tu caminar, te doy todo lo mío hasta mi respirar. Yeah.